Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious eggs in a stainless steel pan, step by step. First, place your pan over medium-low heat for about 2 to 3 minutes. This ensures even heating. Next, add 1 tablespoon of butter or oil, swirling it to coat the entire cooking surface. This fat creates a crucial non-stick layer. Finally, crack your eggs into a small bowl, ready for the pan. Once your pan is ready, gently pour the eggs into the hot, buttered surface. For a beautifully runny yolk, cook them for approximately 2 to 3 minutes. If you prefer a firmer yolk, simply continue cooking for an additional 1 to 2 minutes. Remember, it is best to cook 1 or 2 eggs at a time to ensure even cooking and prevent the pan from cooling down too much. The key to preventing eggs from sticking in a stainless steel pan lies in proper technique. Ensure your pan is thoroughly preheated before adding any fat. Using enough butter or oil creates a vital barrier between the egg and the metal. Allow the eggs to set for about 1 minute before attempting to move them. A thin, flexible spatula can then gently release the edges, ensuring a clean lift. To finish, season your perfectly cooked eggs with a pinch of salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste. Carefully slide them from the pan directly onto your plate. Serve these delicious eggs immediately alongside your favorite breakfast accompaniments, like toast or avocado. Remember to clean your stainless steel pan promptly after use. This makes maintenance much easier and keeps it ready for your next meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.